Welcome back to Fabio's Fabulous Reviews. I'm Fabio, and today I'll be reviewing the unboxing and the initial setup for the Hewlett Packard HP OfficeJet Pro in the model of 9135E as in Echo. Now, the initial opening of the box is real simple. All you have to do is just get a blade, cut the top of the box open, flip open all four corners of the box, and voila, the box is actually opened. Now from the top you can see there's a styrofoam securing the actual printer. You have inkjet on the top in one of the boxes, and you see the instruction manual how to remove the actual printer. Now they tell you to put it on the side, grab it from the two blue plastic handles, and just pull it out. When you pull it out, you have it already on its in the upright position. Now, just from the actual view, you see that all four corners were protected or are protected by styrofoam. In one corner, you see the actual power cord, and then the box where the cartridges of all three colors and the black ink has. Now this is what it looks like when you just put it on top of the table, show you all four corners and the aerial view, and pretty much it comes secured. We'll remove those blue tapes later on, and I'll show you that it's really that simple. You have the side of the actual printer and the actual Ethernet connection. Now when you open the box, you had the instruction manual. The first one was the cover that showed you the how to pull it out, the initial setup. You have the instant ink renewal form. If you want to join that plan, it tells you all the different prices. Next you have the warning in all different languages telling you to please use only HP cartridges. And then the next one is the limited warranty, and finally the Office Jet Pro Quick Start Guide and the QR code that's in the back that you utilize later. Now, the removing of the tape, as you can see, is just that. It covers a little plastic on the LDC screen, and then the other one that held the actual lid of the scanner from opening the blue tape. And really, believe it or not, it is just that simple to actually remove. Oh, I forgot the actual cover for the scanner. Now, besides that, those three things, your printer is ready and set up to go. Now, already off the bat, the unboxing part was the most simplest thing there is. It's just simple as removing it, connecting the power cord, and that's it. Now, the next few videos I'm showing you here, believe it or not, are 4 times the speed recorded. This is the part that's going to take you at least 30 to 45 minutes to set up. Now, I'm showing you now the actual, they have these presentations available so you can do the whole process and guide you in setting up the printer. But again, this process is very, very tedious and long for me, that I really found it disappointing. I thought it was just going to be simply just plug and play, and that's about it. But it does take a while. And besides that, while you're doing this initial setup, you're connected and unconnecting from your Wi-Fi. You're hearing all these little noises that are going through while the printer is actually setting up. Besides that, you have to not only go stuff through the actual printer, you have to start downloading the app, and everything is done through the actual app. That way things can start running smoothly. But again, you cannot shy away from this, because you will not be able to proceed any further if you do not follow all these instructions at the time that they want you to follow it. If you skip something, it'll delay it, and really that's going to be the biggest issue. It's creating an account if you don't have one already. The one model I had before didn't have the actual count. That's how old my old printer was. Now, the setup of the actual cartridges, it's simple like all of them. Just put them in, and you're supposed to hear a click. Believe it or not, there is no click when you are setting up the cartridge. And as you can see there, this is already at 4 times the speed, and it takes that long just to comprehend, I guess, the computer what is going on. Besides that, the process at 4 times the speed again will take 30 to 45 minutes from testing the paper. For some reason, it stopped at 80% and it didn't want to budge anymore. And then it finally starts printing the next 20%. Now, my overall review for the unboxing of this HP printer is going to be a 5 out of 5 stars. Now, for the initial setup, and I'm being generous, I'm giving it a 2 out of 5 stars. Like I said, the unboxing was the best part. The setup is the sad part. Now, if you like this video, please subscribe, like. If you have any comments, please comment below and I'll help you out. And I very much want to thank you for watching this video. Please be safe and enjoy. Thank you.